Hi there, I'm Raj from Refined, and in this video I'll show you how you can recreate a theme from Refined for Jira Service Management Server and Data Center on the Refined Sites app for JSM Cloud. So as you might be aware, themes are not automatically migrated, but the Refined sites are migrated, which I've already done here. So I have my site on cloud that I've migrated with all my JSM projects. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to recreate the server data center theme on this side. So first step, I go into themes on my data center instance, and I want to check what theme my site is using. So it's this one right here. And I can see the theme is Alto Internal. So I go ahead and locate that theme here in Refined Administration. And there it is. So I open this up in edit mode. Then on cloud, I want to open up the theme editor, so I can either edit the current theme, which is then editing the default theme applied on a site which is migrated, or I can create a brand new theme. If I go in here, then I get the default theme that I can edit, but for the sake of this video, I'll go ahead and create a new theme. We'll call this Alto Internal and create. And then now all I need to do is replicate the settings on the cloud side. So if I go in here to main appearance to start with, which is general on cloud, you can see the same general style is applied already. Then I can see on the server data center side, I have a transparent header. The header setting is broken out on cloud into its own section. So then I simply make this transparent. And there we go. Font color is the same. Then the next thing is the body. And this is again in general. And then right here on the body, I change this to the same image that I have here. So if you haven't got the image, if you haven't got a copy of it, you can simply select this, open in a new tab, and then save the image from your browser. I already have a copy downloaded, so I will just add that on here. There we go. We can see that the image options are the same here. Change the underlying color. Let's get that color code and just paste it in here. So the same underlying color now. And then we can see here we also have some footer settings. So the footer does have a section in the theme editor. However, these settings have been deprecated due to our updated page builder experience on cloud. So I'll show you how you can replicate the footer on cloud instead. But let's go back and just make sure the other settings are the same. So the landing page settings, the width, we have 80%. We changed that as well. And we're using a fill background. And then for the JSM request view, also 80%. We want to replicate that as well. And there we go. Now we have more or less the same theme. So I go ahead and save this. And then I go back to my site. And on my site, I apply my newly created theme. And now when I go ahead and view the site, then I can see I have pretty much the same theme applied. We need to add a logo. I'll show you how to do that. But first, let me show you how to customize the footer. So it looks like this. So we go back into themes and styles. And then we look at the footer settings here. And here I simply do it on the site level itself. And I want to change the background to this color. Let's take the code. And then on the section itself, I can add a background color. And I'll do the same that I have there. That didn't save for some reason. Let's try that again. There we go. Maybe I make it a bit more, that's too spacious. That's better. And then I simply change the text colors. Do the section color once more. Didn't save for some reason, but now it looks like it did. And we publish this. and we have it that way. I can change this link text color also to something else. So it's more legible against my footer. There we go. So now we have pretty much the same. I can customize this as I need. And the final thing I'm going to do is add the logo onto my cloud site. That I do in the configuration. And then site header. Add in the logo. And now my site looks pretty much the same as what I had on Server Data Center. I hope this has been useful for you. If you have any questions for us, you're welcome to reach out at our help center, help.refined.com.